Chatbots are everywhere and not all of them are great. I'm sure you've watched so many videos about chatbot, but guess what? What if you could build one that is concise, feels so human, and would answer all the questions your leads or your customers want to ask? And you can do this using Chatbase. In this video, I'm going to walk you on step by step how you can build your own AI chatbot using Chatbase and train it to sound human-like and get those answers you want it to give your leads. So let's jump right into my screen. Let me show you how I get this done. And at the end of it, you can now deploy this in your business. So I've put together a step-by-step guide to guide us on setting up this chatbot on Chatbase. So the first thing we need to do is set up on Chatbase, meaning we need to get a Chatbase account. So let's head right to Chatbase. Go to chatbase.co. When you get to Chatbase, this is what you're going to see on your account. So you can now set this up. So you go there, you build your first chatbot, you click there, you sign up. But for the purpose of this, I already have a Chatbase account, so I don't need to sign up again. But once you sign up, this is what you will see. You will see the total number of credits that you have, and then you have the opportunity of uploading your knowledge base. And this is where the chatbot will get the information, the data it will work with for your business. So what you need to do is either put in the link, so you can click on website, put in the link of your website, and it will fetch all the data that you have about your website. Now, if you don't have a website yet, or you're just testing, or you can even do both, you can put in the link on your website and also create a knowledge base for your business. So once you have uploaded that, you're going to go into the maker. So what has happened is I've done that already. So you click on dashboard, it will show you your chatbot. So let's go right into my dashboard where I've created the chatbot for Takara Properties. So now once you do that, you will see this as the playground. But before we go to the playground, let's go and to the settings where we set up this whole chatbot. So what do you need to do? You set up your account, you go to settings, then from there you upload your knowledge base, which I have done. And then you can now go to designing your chatbot. So over here, you go to the chatbot interface. You design your chatbot by putting the initial message, which is what people will see once they land on your chat, on your website, where your chatbot will show. Then you can now upload your logo. So here I've created the logo and the color palette is purple. I've created it. I've done all that. So you go here, you upload your logo, upload your icon as well. So once you've done the branding, then you can now go ahead, and if you wanted to have a custom domain, this is where you need to upgrade your account. But if you just want to test it out, you want to build your first chatbot, test it, and also use that to generate more leads for your business or test it with clients. If you're starting your AI agency, what I advise you to do is, once you've set up your interface, which it now looks all good, you can decide if you want to use this chatbot to generate leads. So you can go here and toggle the email, the name, the email, and the phone number, and you save that. And then with that, once you ask, the chatbot can ask questions for your lead. So let's go right into general to set up some instructions for our chatbot. So we go to playground, click on playground button, click there. You go right here by the left hand side where you have chatbot. Now you can decide if you want GPT-04 to be your AI that you're going to use. Then you go here. Now this is where the magic is. This is where you now instruct your chatbot to act as a human. And I'll go back to my script. You see here, we want to define the role. We've uploaded the knowledge base. We're going to test it right now, and we're going to deploy. So now this is the script, the prompts that you need to put into ChatGPT or any LLM, that's ChatGPT, Claude, or or Perplexity, any of the LLMs that you use. And you use that to train your chatbot. Now, this is what you need to do. You need to ensure that the chatbot speaks like a human. And how do you do it? You put in this prompt. I want to build a conversational AI chatbot with the following characteristics. You define the primary role. You define the response style, because once you are specific with your response style, your chatbot would behave accordingly. Now, you see that here I have defined the primary role and the response style. And one of them is to provide one short concise sentence that directly answers the questions after responding if asked. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy this prompt and I'm going to put it right into the playground so that it can act the way I want it to act. So let's go back to here. I'm going to put this here on the row. I'm going to go down here. I'm going to paste it. Okay. I'm going to go there. Okay. I'm going to down to, constraints so that the AI knows its constraints. So I'm going to go here, put 2 hashtag there, and I'm going to save this. So, okay. So now let's test it. So it's saved now. Let's test it. So it says, I want to say, can you help me with some Airbnb information? So let's test it, see how it acts. So, okay, fantastic. See, it went straight to the point. It didn't give me one long generic answer or trying to go outside, but see, it went straight to the point. It said, we provide guidance on setting up and managing and scaling short-term businesses like Airbnb. Would you like to have more information, more details about this specific aspect? Now, that's what you want your chatbot to do. You want your chatbot to give very short and concise answers and ask the user if they would like more information, as opposed to just going all the way to giving the person more information, because the person might decide not to go in that direction anymore. So what you need to do is make sure that you train your chatbot, and I've put that prompt in there that would help me train this chatbot. So I'll say, okay, please go ahead. Okay. So let's see what it's going to provide me now. Fantastic. You see, it's there. We offer marketing analysis, furnishing advice, pricing strategies, and guest management service for Airbnb. Would you like to book a call for personalized assistance? Now, that's what I want this chatbot to do. I've trained the chatbot not only to give all the information, but also to now go ahead by telling you after the second answer that you should book a call with an expert to help you on this. And that's what you want your chatbot to do. You want your chatbot not only to help people with answers, but also use it as an opportunity to book calls for your business. So that's how you go about it. So now we've been able to, let's go back to our list. Now we've been able to go through this. We've set up the chatbot using Chatbase. We've defined the role using the prompt that I've set. And also we've also put in the knowledge base, which is based on this real estate company called Takara Properties. And they're into investment and other property opportunities. And we've also tested it, which it works now. Now what we want to do, we've kind of like refining it. I've done that, but you can also go ahead, refine it if you want. Now we want to deploy it. Deploying. So how do we now take this chatbot and make it live? So we do that by simply, going to connect. So you click on connect. Once you're satisfied with your chatbot, click on connect and you will see this page where it says embed chatbot as a bubble. So you click on this copy and you go to your website and you paste that script on your website in the header tag. Once you do that, and the chatbot will now be on your website and people can now go ahead and they use it. Now, another way that you can do that is you can decide to add some integrations. Now, with integrations, the thing is when you upgrade your accounts that you can use integration, but it's amazing that you can connect this with Zapier, Slack, WhatsApp, Messenger, and also Instagram. So this simply means that you can set up your knowledge base on Chatbase and then connect it with other third-party platforms like WhatsApp. So people can reach out to your Airbnb or property business on your WhatsApp, but it's your trained chatbot that is going ahead with that. WordPress is free, which is you can just click the connect button and connect to your WordPress website, or better still, you can copy the code, the iframe code, and then paste it on your WordPress website. And that's how you have your own chatbot on your website. So I hope this has been helpful. I've shown you step-by-step guide on how you can build a human-like chatbot using Chatbase and training it and deploying it as well on your website or using other third-party platform and tools. Follow this channel. I share more content about AI, making money online and growing your business. So You need to subscribe for more videos like this, and read the comments where I put other descriptions and about the prompts and all the other tools that you will need to help you grow your business. I'll see you at the next one. So check this other video where I talk more about AI, prompts, and other things that you need to grow your business.